So YouTube back in another video, and we got 3 more Dollar Tree packs. We got us Sun and Moon Cosmic Eclipse, Sun and Moon Cosmic Eclipse, and the third Sun and Moon Cosmic Eclipse. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've been killing it lately with these pack openings. Trying my best to get content out to you best I can. So. Alright, we got a Carvana. How you say it? A Lunala. Is this a Lunata rare? A Lunata rare reverse? And a very tight energy. Alright, there we go. 2 more packs. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess that's it. Let's go. That's it on my account, sorry. Like, did I put it back? Right. And here we go. We got Toga tomorrow. Ursaring. And a Mawa. Alright. And the last Dollar Tree pack. That way, my bad. Yeah, Ponyta. Oh yeah, Ponyta. How you say it? A reverse Jupiter. And a Dihelmus. I don't know how I say it. Y'all know how I say it. Alright. I think that's it. Thanks for all the support. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like for more videos like this. Peace.